Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to whomever you are and wherever you are. Today's Saturday, March 5th. March 5th, 2020. Going out to clean the my very dirty black car. Gonna spritz it. There it is. Very poor lighting in here. Already got it set up and ready with my I'm gonna use my brush here on my wheels. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna work on that. But before, obviously, I already set up my bottle here. This is not the actual product inside the bottle. I put some hot water with car wash soap from Chemical Guys in there. This is originally a instant detailer, which is a wax, liquid wax from Mother's, but it finished, so I decided to fill it up with water and car wash soap instead. So I'm gonna spray that here. I don't know if I'm going to be actually using the hose. I might take the car to where the hose is. It's terrible lighting in the garage, I know. Just terrible. Let me get my little sponge from in here. Get that going. So start my knee on the floor. On the trunk. Of course, quite dirty with salt. I don't know if you can see that or not. Much better for my knees. Extremely dirty, the wheels. Yeah, I need to wash the car too, but these are appalling. Just too dirty. I should have gotten this wet as well. So this is how I clean my wheels. As such, this is not real the proper brush for doing this. Not the proper brush. This is from my washroom, from my toilet actually. But it gets the job done. But I don't have to buy a dedicated wheel brush to do this work. Clean the tire. My sciatica is still hurting me. You can go this way, or you can go up and down like that. I don't like my wheels getting too dirty. Never mind the brake dust. It's me in Canada, Montreal, you know. There's plenty of road salt. Road salt, get rid of it ASAP. Not a fun thing to have. Inside the wheelbarrow too, you have to get in there. Try to go as deep as you can. Not touching the brakes, but that's okay because you want to go as deep as possible. In reality, to really clean these, we'd have to remove the wheel from the car in the first place, but we're not gonna do that. No way. Get another spritz. So that's how I do it. I'm gonna end up taking the car to where the hose is. That's what I'm gonna do, because the whole car is very, very dirty. So that's how I do it. I don't have any special cleaning solutions for the rim. It's just Chemical Guys car wash soap in here, as I mentioned before. So I'm going to do this to all 4 wheels. I have to take it, spray it off with the hose. Anyways, I gotta do that ×4, and then I'm gonna wash the entire car here. Look at that one, it's super dirty. You can't see it. I can't see it in my viewfinder. You won't be able to see it either. There's not enough light here. And there, it's too dark to film. Well, that's it. So I clean my wheels and my tires, although I have to get the proper cleaning solutions. There's a special cleaning solution for the tires, and there's one for mag wheels. So aside from having, you know, the road salt and the sand that they put out here in the winter, also have brake dust, which can, you know, infuse into your mag wheel. And also there's other particles, pollutants that also stick to the wheel. So there's special cleaners to remove those. The iron, it's called the iron fallout. So you have to remove the iron from the wheel, and I don't got those. So not the specific cleaners for that. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna wash the whole car. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. A great weekend. Bye. Alright, so I finished cleaning all 4 rims and tires at this present juncture. I also decided to take the car to the wash bay here in my building, where I usually wash my car. I actually sprayed some water from the hose, and also I sprayed the hose on my rims. They came out not bad. It's kind of dark here, won't be able to see the back rim, but that's the end result. It's the car as a whole is fairly clean. Now I have to wipe it down. I gotta dry it. There it is. The wheels are a lot better now, a lot more presentable than before. You won't see here because it's not enough lighting. That's it. I ended up washing the whole car because it was full of salt. That's the result of my wheel cleaning. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great weekend. Bye.